Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now you need to tap on the one that you wish to add. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones. If you want to remove one of them, select this X next to the one that you wish to delete and tap on Remove in the pop-up. After that, click on Change Settings in this pop-up over here. To help in an emergency, people can view and call these contacts without unlocking your device. Make sure that this option is enabled, and when you finished, just go back. As you can see, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!